Hi everyone, today I've got my trusty Nikon Z6 here, and it's getting a little bit worse for wear, starting to show its age. I actually had an issue a little while ago where these screws are now protruding a little bit from the material, so it gave me a little bit of a blister a couple weeks ago. And I just want to solve that with this. It's kind of a silicone skin for the Z6 here by a company called STSEETOP. Which is a bit of a tongue twister there. Try saying that 5 times fast. And it's a camera body protection thing, as it says here. And it adds some grip and it allows you to access all the stuff on the camera you need to while, protecting it. So that should be pretty cool here. So we're gonna take this out of the box and install it on the Z6. I don't know if it has any instructions or not. Should need it. Pretty self-explanatory. Yep, just the thing itself. Basic packaging. And there we have that. Of course I got bright yellow because, why not? I'm very partial to... we'll take that one's good off anyway. And try and get away with not taking the entire lens off because that seems like a pain. I may regret that though. Okay, dokie. You know what? This is just too much of a pain with the lens on. I don't know where the body cap on, so I'm gonna risk it. This is now. Don't try this at home because you don't want to get any dust in that sensor. Actually, if anything, okay. This may be painful to watch. I'm not sure. Yeah, it goes on actually fairly easily there. Molds into place. Let's get that lens back on there. And there we are. That's pretty much. Oh, no, not quite. Not quite. We gotta take this little bit here. Squeeze it in. Okay. There's actually supposed to be another one on that side. I wonder where my other strap holder went. That's the first time I'm noticing this. There's nowhere around here. Oh well, I don't actually use a camera strap anyway, so it's not that big of an issue. Okay, that's actually on there very nicely. Feels good. It's a little bit loose in places, but and the feel is going to take some getting used to. But it's not half bad, if I do say so myself. Oh, got a nice little cold shoe protector. Oh, I like that. So it should keep some dust and moisture and stuff out of the cold shoe, or hot shoe, I mean. Anyway, that's just about it. We'll have to see how this thing holds up, but at least on my initial impressions here, this is remarkably high quality. It's pretty cheap. It's only like 20 or 30 bucks. I mean, okay, it's not a lot of material, so actually, I'm not sure exactly what the value for money is for it, but for protecting a camera, this thing looks like it'll do a pretty good job. It'll keep it from that little screw that in there from causing a blister again, and it'll help protect the material somewhat. Just jumping in really quick here at the end, I just wanted to mention that what I'm recording this with is the DJI Action 2 hooked up to the DJI mic, which is a little wireless microphone, and I've been really impressed with how it's performing. I've been testing it out now for several weeks, and I'm going to give it a full review pretty soon. And my impressions so far are it's fantastic. Okay. The DJI mic is easily my favorite wireless mic I've ever used, and it's really cool. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. See ya.